Hello, my dear students. How are you everyone? I think you are well and I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Muhammad Humayun Kubir, Assistant Teacher, English Medium Senior Section, Sector 7, Milestone School and College. Students, today I will conduct lecture number 33, exercise 2.1, extra creative question. Let's start our today's class. Lecture number 33, exercise 2.1. Chapter 2. Topic: ratios and percentages. Exercise 2.1. Learning objectives. At the end of this lecture, students will be able to explain what inverse ratio is, find out the separate quantity if there are given total amount and their ratio, find out the unknown quantity by solving equation. Review exercise 2.1. At first we will review lecture number 32. Students, everyone open your book, page number 55. Question number 15. The ratio of milk and sugar in fluent tea is 7:2. In the fluent tea, the quantity of sugar is 4 kg. What is the quantity of milk? That means here given the ratio of milk and sugar 7:2 and sugar is 4 kg. Now we will find out the quantity of milk. Solution. At first we will write given information. Sugar is 4 kg here. Milk is to sugar 7:2 here. Based on this information, we can say here milk is 7/2 times of sugar. Okay. So here milk equal to 4 multiply 7/2 kg. Look at here. Here this sugar how much? 4 kg. This 4 is here, and this of means what? Multiplication, this multiplication, and 7/2 this one is here. Okay, so here in this stage what will we do? We will divide 4 by 2. That means we can cut 4 by 2. If we cut 4 by 2, then it will be 2. Now we will multiply 2 and 7. So 7 2s are what? 14. So already we have got milk 14 kg. Therefore milk is 14 kg. Today's lesson, exercise 2.1. Extra creative question. Here I will give you at first one extra creative question. After that we will solve gradually question number A, B and C. Students, it is extra creative question. That's why everyone will write in your CW copy this question. In an ornament of 156 gram, the ratio of gold and silver is 7:6. First question. What is called inverse ratio? Question B. Find the quantity of gold and silver in the ornament. Question number C. How much silver is to be mixed to make the ratio 6:7? Look at here. Here given 7:6 this ratio. Now if we want to make the ratio 6:7, then how much silver need to be mixed? Here we will find out. Now first question, what is called inverse ratio? Answer: the ratio formed by interchanging the antecedent and subsequent of a simple ratio is called inverse ratio. That means here we know all the ratios are simple ratio. That ratios, if we interchange antecedent and subsequent, then we will get a inverse ratio. Okay, now look at here example. 5:13 is the inverse ratio of 13:5. Here main ratio is 13:5. Now we will find out the inverse ratio of 13:5. Here an antecedent 13 and subsequent 5. So if we interchange 5 and 13, then we will get 5:13. So this one will be the inverse ratio of this one. Okay, here and 7:12, this is the inverse ratio of 12:7. That means here main ratio is this one, 12:7. If we interchange these ones antecedent and subsequent, then we will get here this one. So here 7:12 will be the inverse ratio of 12:7. Okay students, I think it is very clear to you. Now I will give you one simple ratio and you will tell me what will be the inverse ratio of that ratios. Okay, so ready? Here 5:8. Okay, now everyone try to say what will be the inverse ratio of 5:8. Look at here. Here 5 antecedent and 8 subsequent. So if we interchange 8 and 5, then we will get its inverse ratio. Now students, everyone try to say. Definitely it will be 8:5. Okay. Now students, our question number B. What is the question? Find the quantity of gold and silver in the ornament. Look at here. Here given total amount 156 gram and given their ratio. Now we will find out separately their amount. Solution: the sum of the antecedent and subsequent equal to 7 plus 6. Here this ratio, here these ratios, antecedent word 7 and subsequent 6. Now we will add 7 and 6. So if we add 7 and 6, then it will be 13. Now here the quantity of gold will be 7 out of 13 times of whole amount. I am telling again, 7 out of 13 times of whole amount. How we will write? Look at here. The quantity of gold here 7 out of 13 times of whole amount. Whole amount how much? 156 gram. So now look at here. Here 7 by 13, here 7 by 13, and we know this of means what? Of means multiplication. Here this multiplication, and 156 this one is here. Okay, now in this stage what will we do? We have to divide 156 by 13. Now we will see 156 if we divide by 13, then answer will be what? Now here 13 156. Okay, now here dividend 156 and divisor 13. Divisor 2 digit and dividend 3 digit. From here we will take 2 digit. Okay, if we take 2 digit from left, then it will be 15. Now how many times can we take 13 in 15? Definitely one time. Here one time. If we take one time, then it will be 13. Now subtract it. So if we subtract 3 from 5, then here will be 2, and write down this 6 is here. Okay, so it will be 26. Now how many times can we take 13 in 26? Definitely 2 times. Okay, 2 times. So if we take 2 times, then 13 multiply 2. 13 multiply 2, it will be 26. If we subtract 26 from 26, then it will be 0. Okay, that means there are no remainder. So if we divide 156 by 13, then it will be 12. Now what will we do? In this stage we will multiply 7 and 12. So if we multiply 7 and 12, then it will be 84. So 84 gram. Already we have got the quantity of gold. The quantity of gold is 84 gram. Now we will find out the quantity of silver. Here the quantity of silver will be 6 out of 13 times of whole amount. How we will write? Look at the skin. 6 out of 13 times of whole amount 156 gram. Now here, look at here, 6 out of 13 times is here, and this of means multiplication is here, and 156 here. Now in this stage what will we do? We have to divide 156 by 13. So if we divide 156 by 13, then its answer will be what? 12. So 12. Okay, now here we have to multiply 6 and 12. If we multiply 6 and 12, then it will be 72. So 72 gram. Already we have got the separate quantity gold and silver. Gold 84 gram and silver 72 gram. So our answer will be gold 84 gram and silver 72 gram. I think it is very clear to you. Now students, our question number C. What is the question? How much silver is to be mixed to make the ratio 6:7? Here given the ratio 7:6. Now we want to make the ratio 6:7. So if we want to make the ratio 6:7, then how much silver need to be mixed? Here we will find out this unknown quantity. Solution. At first we will write got information. Here from B we have got the quantity of gold equal to 84 gram and the quantity of silver equal to 72 gram. Now we will let the unknown quantity. Let x gram silver is to be mixed to make the ratio of gold and silver 6:7. Okay, now that means if we mix here x gram, then its ratio will be 6:7. Okay, so how we will find out? At first we will make a equation. After that, by solving this equation, here we will find out this unknown quantity. According to the question, look at here. Here this 84 is gold's quantity, and this 72 the quantity of silver, and we want to mix what? We want to mix x gram. So here if we mix x gram silver, then its ratio will be what? 6:7. 6:7. So we can write this one. Here left side and right side is equal. Okay, so that's why here we can write this one. Now we will solve this equation, and after that we will find out the x's value. Okay, here one things, here we can write ratio in fraction. So when we write ratio in fraction, at that time antecedent will be numerator and subsequent will be denominator. Okay, so look at here, in this ratio here 84 is what? 84 antecedent, and 72 plus x is subsequent. So here 84 will be numerator and 72 plus x will be what? Denominator. And this equal is here, and this 6 is 6, and here this 7 is here. Okay, I think it is very clear to you. Now in this stage what will we do? We will do cross multiplication. When we do cross multiplication, at that time here left side's numerator multiply right side's denominator, and left side's denominator multiply right side's numerator. I am telling again, when you do cross multiplication, at that time left side's numerator and right side's denominator will be multiplied, and left side's denominator and right side's numerator will be multiplied. Okay, now look at the skin here. Look at here, left side's denominator what? Left side's denominator 72 plus x, 72 plus x, and right side's numerator 6, here 6, and multiply. Okay, like this way 84 multiply 7. Okay, now in this stage what will we do? We will multiply 6 and 72, and 6 and x, and 84 and 7. So at first we will see, if we multiply 84 and 7, then it will be what? 84 multiply 7. So here 7 fours are what? 28. So 8 carried number 2, and 7 eights are 56. 7 eights are 56, carried number 2, 58. So if we multiply 84 by 7, then it will be 588. Now if we multiply 6 and 72, then it will be 432. And if we multiply 6 and x, then 6x, and 84 multiply 7 equal to what? 588. Here look at here, this equation when we solve, at that time we have to remember it. If we want to move some quantity left side to right side or right side to left side, at the time here sign will be changed. That means plus sign will be minus, minus will be plus, multiplication will be division, and division will be multiplication. Okay, so here look at here we need this excess value. So here 432 we need to move left side to right side. Okay, so if we move left side to right side, so look at here, at the beginning there is no sign, that means there are plus sign. So if we move 432 left side to right side, then it will be minus. So here this 6s is here, and 588 is here, and here 432 here, 432 minus 432. Now this 6s is here, and if we subtract 432 from 588, then it will be 156. Okay, now in this stage what will we do? In this stage, look at here this 6 we need to move left side to right side, but before moving we need to know what is the relation between 6 and x. There is no sign, so here there is no sign, that means here multiplication sign. So if we move 6 left side to right side, then it will be division. Now here this x and 156 divide this 6 is here. Okay, now here we need to divide 156 by 6. Now we will divide 156 by 6. So 6, here we will take 2 digit from left. So if we take 2 digit, then it will be 15. How many times can we take 6 in 15? 2 times. If we take 2 times, it will be 12. Now if we subtract, then it will be what? 3, and write down the 6 is here, 36. Now how many times can we take 6 in 36? Definitely 6 times. So if we take 6 times, then it will be 6 multiply 6. So if we multiply 6 and 6, then it will be what? 36. Now subtract it. If we subtract, then there are no remainder, that means 0. That means what? If we divide 156 by 6, then it will be what? 26. So here already we have got the unknown quantity. The unknown quantity is what? 26. That means if we mix 26 grams silver, then its ratio will be 6:7. So therefore 26 grams silver is to be mixed. Okay. Now students, everyone write your SW. So OSW number 33. Exercise 2.1. Extra creative question. Here, in an ornament of 156 gram, the ratio of gold and silver is 7:6. First question, what is called inverse ratio? Second question, find the quantity of gold and silver in the ornament. Third question, how much silver is to be mixed to make the ratio 6:7? Actually already we have solved all this question. Now this question you will write in your SW copy and you will submit on time. Okay students, up to this our today's class. So everyone, thank you and see you next class.